Hey beautiful people, we are making banga soup today, and this is the first time I'm cooking banga soup, and it came out so lovely and nice. Like the taste is super. First of all, I washed my palm kernel. I squeeze now here I'm squeezing it and trying to get the juice out from the palm fruit. Okay, so I do not leave any stone unturned here. I even have to rinse the fruit, the palm fruit, so that no oil is still remaining in the seed. So after getting my juice, this is the process you have to use. I pounded it and I squeeze, I sieve. Okay, here is the juice I got. So I have to put it in this bowl so I'll be able to transfer into the main pot I want to cook. At this point, you find out that I did not use pressure. Like I have to leave the last part because of the sand, those blabla sand inside. That's the reason why I did not directly put the palm fruit, the palm oil or the palm juice into the pot directly. I have to put it in a separate bowl before I put it inside this pot. Okay, this is a very personal hygiene. I'm cooking it with stockfish, dry fish, and meat. Okay, beef. When it has boiled to this point, okay, you have to put the other necessary things like the salt, your bouillon cube, that other one, the last one I put was my banga sauce. Okay, that brown thing is banga sauce. After it has boiled for some time, you now put your crayfish. You allow it to boil. At this point, I have to put my leaf, which is Atama leaf. Okay, it came out so tasty and nice. The whole kitchen everywhere is smelling so nice. The aroma is so good. Okay, will you be trying this banga soup? Do well to try, subscribe to my channel and follow my method. You will not regret it. Okay, bye, follow for more.